King Piers out here in Lee Summit. I just got here. We got Geiger Ready Mix out here. We're backfilling our piers. We've straightened the wall on this house here back to vertical. We put piers underneath the footings, and then that house right there, we're doing the same thing to on the other side of the house. Big pile of dirt to backfill in the trench when we're done. We are the only people in Lee Summit pouring concrete today. Nobody else is pouring concrete. Nobody else is working. Rain, sleet, snow or shine, we come out here and get her done. People give me money to fix their foundation. We don't want to take any days off besides Sunday. And that's what folks appreciate about us. We overkill everything. We go beyond 5-star review work. Way beyond it. Go look at 100 jobs, anybody else doing this type of work, and go look at ours, and you will see we're about 25 feet above everybody else. In our workmanship, everything we do is engineering 101. We saw cut before we jackhammer. Nobody else does that. I hope they start doing that so they stop tearing up people's basements when they're telling them they're fixing them. That pounding on that concrete floor when to put in a wall brace without a saw cut creates little hairline fractures in the concrete that will end up being cracks. And you'll end up either getting water in the cracks, they'll start heaving, you'll end up doing remove and replace your basement floors, all because someone wanted to skip a step and not do it correctly. We do it correctly. So someone ran into us the other day over here in Lee Summit. There's my son in his truck. I don't blame him, eating lunch. King Piers out here in Lee Summit. For all your foundation piering needs, get a hold of us, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com.